Many times we have to write literature review based papers. We will see multiple tools for literature review based papers or literature analysis based documents. Many times from a particular research paper, we have to extract citations, we have to extract connected papers. For these implementations, 3 to 4 different tools we will use now. Very first tool is research rabbit. Okay, research rabbit. In research rabbit, we will be able to generate a complete connection of a particular research paper with other documents. Okay, research rabbit. For example, some paper we have uploaded, and related to that particular paper, we want to generate a complete citation report. Okay, so this one, for example, one paper we have uploaded, or one research paper title we want to specify here. You can specify DOI. Okay, on a particular domain. For example, one paper we have identified, this particular document, this paper we have identified, and we want to generate a complete citation report related to this particular document. So similar, on click of similar, now you can see that this particular graph, we want to generate complete graph of a particular paper, to which other research papers this paper is related. Many times when we download one research paper, and we want to identify related other papers, so for that particular work we can use these tools. Very first tool is research rabbit. Now you can see that similar papers. So if you are writing some research paper related to uh, empirical data, related to citations report, you can use this particular tool. Okay, for example, related to this particular paper, we want to generate a complete citation report. Click similar papers. Okay, so you can see that more than 1000 papers are associated, more than 1000 papers are similar to this specific research paper. Okay, it is extracting that complete data, and it will generate that specific graph. So depending upon your internet speed, your complete graph will be generated. So this paper is associated with multiple papers. So now I want to check the latest paper. For example, this one is the paper, and I want to see complete citation report of this document. Click on this paper, and further citation graph I want to generate. This Lee 2021 similar papers, more than 1000. Click, and we will be able to generate a complete document. Okay, now you can see all similar papers related to a single paper. Okay, because many times when we are given a base paper related to our research work, we are also given the task to identify similar research papers, which good quality research papers are associated or similar to that particular work. This one, complete list. Okay, and this one, in same way, some other paper you want to identify. So this is first tool. Second is open knowledge maps. Okay, open knowledge maps. So in this you can specify any paper title, you can specify any particular DOI, any specific ISBN, ISSN, or whatever it is. Okay, whatever identification is there, you can specify. We want to generate a complete knowledge map. Okay, on a specific topic, we want to generate a complete list of similar papers, latest papers, and those documents we want to extract, we want to identify as base work in our research content. So knowledge map is getting created, and all of these are completely free. Okay, open knowledge map or research rabbit, these are freely available. Now you can see knowledge map of this particular paper. So now if I want to see this particular block, so three papers are associated in this particular block, so many interrelated papers. If I want to see this particular block, for example, my work is related to blockchain and consensus algorithm, click on this. Now these papers are interrelated. I want to see this particular paper, click. Okay, this one, on click of this, I want to create a knowledge map. That specific knowledge map will be generated. We want to extract this particular segment. Okay, this paper we want to identify, click. At right hand side, its abstract will be generated. And so with these tools we will be able to identify similar research papers, similar research documents. Okay, open knowledge map is there, research rabbit is available to create a complete list. One more tool is there, so this complete list is available with me, I will share to all of you. Insightful. If we want to compare two papers, select two papers, and we want to see by which way literature of these two papers are interrelated, by which way the literature connects these two papers. Okay, we want to identify similarity or dissimilarity between two papers. We want to identify a complete network of a particular research paper. For example, so just randomly I'm typing one title, it will identify from its repository. And now you can see this one, complete knowledge map, similar papers similar to this paper, how many papers are available, and what in which year these papers are published year, similarity index, most important papers, review papers. Okay, so most important papers obviously depending upon their citations, number of citations, 250, 315, in this way. So you can see that most important recent papers by top 100 authors, upcoming authors in this particular domain. So you can scan, you can do a rigorous analysis on a single research paper. If for example, this particular title I have written related to cloud computing, I want to see which international journals are publishing this type of research paper. So list of top journals which are associated in publishing this type of paper. For example, one research paper I have taken as a base work, and I want to see top journals which are associated with this. Okay, for example, quantum computing. Okay, just randomly I'm typing. Okay, any you can take, for example, this particular paper I'm taking. You can put your own DOI number or your own paper title, and after that you will be able to see its complete network. Now it is complete, it is scanning complete network related to that particular paper. Okay, similar papers, most important papers, and you can see that this one is network graph. In your research paper, in your dissertation, in your report, you can use this graph also, that you have scanned these documents. You might have heard one term that is known as bibliometric analysis. So if you are writing a paper related to bibliometric analysis, So you can use this graph. Okay, bibliometric analysis means we are analyzing a complete bibliography, a complete network of a specific paper. Okay, so this one. And many authors, many academicians take results, take graphs from these platforms, and very easily those work are published. Okay, so you can see similar papers, most important papers related to this work, review papers related to this work, top 100 authors who are active in this particular domain, most important recent papers, institutions which are writing this one. Okay, top journals. So if I'm writing, if I'm working in this domain, then which journals I should focus? So in these journals I will be able to submit my paper. So very easily I can identify that these journals, these publication agencies are accepting paper in this particular domain, and these journals are high quality journals. Okay, and similar journals, these are top journals and these are similar journals. Okay, so with inciteful.xyz, this is the website inciteful.xyz, open knowledge map. This one is your research rabbit. Okay, so for your literature review, for bibliometric analysis based papers, you can use these platforms for data analytics, for graph generation, for connection analysis.